In this video, I'm going to give you my opinion about the benefits of having a local estate planning attorney that you know and like and have met with over the years. A lot of you have either had your estate plan or have heard on the radio estate plans being done by trust mills, and these are companies that come into town. They may or may not be anywhere close to you. They'll come in, meet at a big hotel room, everyone just comes in and they just crank these estate planning documents out, and then if you need something, you have to call someone who could be hundreds of miles away and they would help you. The challenge with that, as I've been in practice for over 12 years, is that these documents one day are actually going to be used. When the rubber meets the road, you want to be able to call someone that you can talk to who can help you in your time of need. The other thing is that we're all human, and there could be, landmines, little mistakes in these documents that nobody is aware of, otherwise you'd fix them. But you really want to be able to have someone to help you if you've hit a bump in the road. And I'm going to give you a perfect example. I have a wonderful, dear client who I adore, and her mother went to see somebody else to do her estate planning. And the mother had her health care document, her advance directive, done by somebody else. And when the notary notarized the document, they made a mistake. They put the wrong name in the notary block. Well, none of us had realized that this was the way it was, and the mom passed away, and the company that was hired to cremate her body wouldn't do it because they would not take direction from my client. They said, you don't have a valid advanced healthcare directive. I'm sorry, your mom has to sit here until you can give us some other paperwork. So the mom sat there, her body, for a month, and the daughter had a really hard time getting anything done. And then she called me and she said, I need help. Can you help me fix this? And we were able together to track down the notary, have the document fixed. I was able to write a cover letter to explain things, and we got it taken care of that day. That was a perfect example of she had a relationship with me. She was able to call me, I was able to put things to the side for her, and we were able to get it done. And it was a tremendous amount of peace of mind that she had, that I was able to take care of her mother, who was one of the most special people in the world to her. So it's really important, if you've done your documents with a trust mill or with someone you don't know, you should develop a relationship with someone that you know and like. So when the going gets tough, you have someone that you can rely on to call and help fix things for you. I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you so much for watching.